and all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's a word that will bless your heart. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I made it, when it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. King of endless words, no one could express how much you deserve. Though I'm weak and poor, all I have is yours, every single breath. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it, when it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it, when it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Heart of Worship by Matt Redman. If you liked that arrangement, there's a link to a tutorial to it down in the description below. I'll teach you how to play it. Also, I use some advanced guitar chords. Maybe you didn't recognize some of those chords that I just used. That's okay. I want to teach you even more of those guitar chords. There's a link down in the description below also to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some of the chords that I just played, plus a few more that you can implement into your guitar playing to quickly level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.